Welcome back to Dell Chiropractic and Acupuncture, and we're here in our rehab area, and I'm going to show you some quick tips and tricks that you can do to help relieve neck pain fast. The first one I'm going to show you are some neck stretches. I'm going to show you a way to do it that's maybe a little bit more effective. So what we want to do is, you may have seen an exercise like this where you're going to grab the top of your head and bring your head over to the side like this. Make sure you're not pushing down because that's going to compress the neck. But what will happen is your shoulder can come up in the air, and we don't want that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to sit on your hand that holds that shoulder down. And the muscles that tend to get tight in that neck pain are going to be the muscles on the side of your neck and in the back of the neck. So we're going to stretch to the side, and then we're going to stretch forward to get those muscles that are here and back here. So you're going to sit on your hand. You're going to pull with the other hand, and what you want to do is you're going to pull for about 10 or 15 seconds. Breathe deep, exhale, and relax. You're going to start to pull when you're exhaling. That usually helps to stretch out those muscles more. If you want to, you can do a contract, relax, reflex. I'm going to pull against my hand with my head and squeeze, and then relax, and then stretch a little bit further. All right. Then we can come forward. I'm going to shift my hand more to the back of the head, bring the head down this way, and we're stretching this direction. And again, we're going to go for about 10 or 15 seconds, and I can pull against it, contracting for 4 or 5 seconds. Relax, let it sink down farther. You always want to start on the side of your neck, that's the easiest, and then work over to the other side, that's the harder part. So start on the easy side and then work your way to the harder one after that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some self-massage things you can do to reduce your neck pain fast. Now we're going to show you some simple self-massage that you can do to reduce that neck pain really quickly. First off is just the simplest Qigong exercise, Chinese massage technique. What you can do is just take your hand, put it on the back of your neck, and then just pull down like this. And that just feels really good. It's kind of a natural thing that you might think to do to help reduce the neck pain. And just let your hands sink in there, and that feels really good. Another thing we can do is use a lacrosse ball like this. And with that lacrosse ball, we can put that into any sore spots we have in there and just kind of let the ball kind of dig in there and work those sore spots and get into that neck. And you want to hold those points for maybe 8 to 10 seconds and then move on to another area. If you want to, you can use the ball to kind of tap into those areas and sort of like tenderize those muscles. And really those muscles get tight because your head is forward. And when your head is forward, all those muscles in the back of the neck have to contract to hold your head up. If your posture is like that, it's going to keep happening over and over again. And you can keep doing those massage techniques, or you can work on correcting your posture so that your neck gets better and you don't have to keep doing that. So next thing I'm going to do is show you some posture things you can do to make sure that those neck problems don't keep coming back over and over again. All right, last thing is I want to show you some things you can do for your posture. Posture should be about balance and not about strength. You want to balance your head over your shoulders over your hips. And when you're in that position, your muscles are really not doing very much at all, and that's what we want. When your head comes forward like this, those muscles are contracting. When they're contracting, they're cutting off the blood flow, and you're not healing very well. The only way for those muscles to get relaxed is to keep them in that balanced position. Now, for some people, they could have had an injury, a fall, a car accident, a sports injury, an injury to the upper neck, some type of a concussion possibly, that can actually damage your balance system of your body and actually cause you to have posture issues. So what I want to do now is I'm going to have you stay tuned for our next videos where we're going to show you how to correct the cause of these posture type issues and get the pressure off the nerves and keep the pressure off the nerves so you never have to worry about these neck problems coming back ever again.